Yo, what's going on, guys? How's it going? I'm just gonna place you down right here for a second. So, what day is it? It's the next day. And it's a really rainy day today, which isn't bad, honestly. I really like rainy days because it really gets me in the zone to be productive. Because, you know, if it's a nice day out, you tend to want to go outside. And I go for a lot of walks on nice days, but on rainy days, I like to listen to jazz and read my books and fucking get shit done. So, yeah. Right here, I just got my big ass whiteboard. fucking, casually. And I'm gonna write down some of the things that I want to get done today. I think today is March 28th. And I want to let's see, I want to practice saxophone, so we're gonna write down sax. And I also want to do a little bit of studying theoretical jazz, so we're going to write down jazz. What else? I'd like my room to be clean, so we're gonna do a clean room. And my bed is not made, so we're gonna go make a bed. What else do I want to do? Oh yeah, my sister all of a sudden wants to play Call of Duty, so I'm gonna help her. I'm gonna teach her how to set up the Xbox. So set up Xbox. Okay. And I want to do a little bit of reading as well, so I'll write down read. Okay, so I'm honestly quite happy with that. Yeah. Trying to set out to do these things. I should make something to eat though for lunch. Fucking, maybe I'll bring you guys along for that. I think I'm gonna make a nice hot pot today. It'll be really good. Okay. Also, I like to write down affirmations on my whiteboard because even though it may seem like I'm confident sometimes, I very much am just an impulsive person and I just do things. Because, like, if I know I gotta do something, I'll just fucking do it. And then I'll fucking start thinking about what other people think sometimes. And I'll just, like, spiral downwards. So I always have to make sure I write down, believe in yourself. I like to write that down all over my whiteboard. I don't know. Does anybody else do this? It sure helps me, at least. Just believe in yourself. Just over and over again. Because as humans, we tend to forget why we do things. We always have a reason when we do things, I believe. But you can lose sight of your, you can lose sight really quickly, really easily. So you gotta be careful. Again, you got this. You got this. You got this. Alright. Cool. Fucking. I guess I'll write down vlog the day as well. Because I'm already kind of doing that, so. Alright. Cool. Well, we can get our day started. I guess I'll get started by cleaning my room and making my bed. Oh shit. Whoops. Alrighty. Yo, what is going on, guys? How's it going? Wait, I don't even think they can see me, can they? how's it going? Actually, wait a minute. I need a drink. I'm gonna go grab one. I'll be right back. Here we go. Okay. Guess we're good. Alright, everybody, so we're going to eat some hot pot together today, because it's a kind of a rainy day and my mood is already kind of shitty as it is. But today is even shittier. But it is what it is. Like, I can't do anything about it. My emotions are uncontrollable. But I'm about to dig into this. And I'm about to be uncontrollable as well. Let's dive in. Oh my god, I haven't eaten anything all day. Actually so hungry. I wonder how everything turned out. A lot of new ingredients I don't try, like this for example. If I can grab it, that is. Wonton. Cabbage. Too much cabbage. Okay. I want some more meat. Alright. That'll be good for now. Itadakimasu. Damn.
Still craving your kiss. How you crave my kiss. Now I'm longing to linger till dawn, dear. Just say this. Give me a little kiss. Sweet dream. Till something finds you. Sweet dreams that leave all worries behind you. But in your dreams, whatever they
Tastes a little bland, so I added a shit ton of salt. Hopefully that helps. Probably won't, but maybe it will. You never know.
fading, but I linger on, dear. Still craving your kiss.
Dude, I don't know what's going on.
Yeah, I'm longing
Fuck.
to
Why am I so
linger till dawn, dear.
all over the place?
Just saying this.
I don't know if I am.
Sweet dreams, dreaming.
Chill.
Gotta keep dreaming.
I am sometimes. I guess. It's really good though. Almost want some of the soup. Alright. Hell yeah. Yo, what's up everybody? How's it going? So my plans are kind of have changed, I guess. You know, I did have a lot to do today, but my mood is quite low right now. Sometimes I'm really like motivated to get shit done, and then other times I'm just really down and sad. Just the way my brain works. But I try my best to I don't know. What am I gonna try my best? Oh, I guess I just want to try my best to be transparent with you guys, because I don't want to just show you all the happy side of me, because that's like, that wouldn't be genuine, because there is lightness and darkness within my soul. I mean, I don't even know what I'm saying right now, but damn. Fucking, what am I gonna do? What should I do? I really don't feel like doing anything productive, that's for sure. So maybe I'll just lie here, watch a show on Netflix or something. That's always fun to do when you feel hopeless. Oh shit. Can we just lie here together and just like, I don't know, find comfort in each other? Is that weird? Maybe. Maybe it is. But there's really not much going on in my brain right now. I just am, I guess. Simply living and breathing. Yo, what's up, everybody? Welcome back. I know in the last clip, honestly, I hesitated on whether I wanted to upload this video or not, because I'm so sad in it. I was quite depressed that day. It is the day before I'm about to upload this video now. And I've decided I'm going to upload it anyways. Fuck it. Might as well, right? I know whenever I'm sad, I like to watch other sad people. It's comforting. So I'm gonna roll with it. Anyways, to end off the video, I'm going to play a little sad music. So, kind of lullaby style, I guess. Hope you enjoy. I feel like I could come up with a melody. Here we go. I am so tired. I am. Oh, it never ends. But I keep on going. Oh, we're all so tired. But we keep on trying. Oh, we keep on trying day after day, week after week, month after month, and it never ends until the day. To the day we die. Oh, you know, once we go back to sleep, because that's what I'm about to do. Anyways, have a good night or a good day. I don't know when you're watching this, but does it really matter? No, it doesn't. I never say have a good afternoon, now that I think about it. God forbid somebody watches it during the afternoon. It doesn't exist. I'm just kidding. A good day. Having a good day counts too. Holy fuck, I am annoying. Anyways, I'm gonna go now. Yeah. I love you guys so much. I know I'm fucking annoying on Instagram. I got a big ass ego on Instagram. Holy fuck. Somebody needs to take my Instagram away from me. Anyways, I gotta stop talking now. Have a good one. Bye. Peace and love. I love you guys so much. Bye.